Welcome to the Maths Assembly.
Math is a wonderful thing. Math is a really cool thing. So get off your act, let's do some math. Math, 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 math.
We are now in the year of 2022.
2022 is an even number, and everybody knows our brains process even numbers easily than odd numbers, because they appear more frequently in the timetables.
2022 is also known as a Harshad number, meaning it is equally divisible by the sum of its digits, 6.
The word Harshad means joy-giving.
This year, on the 22nd of February, the date will be a perfect palindrome, 22/02/2022.
A palindrome is a word or number that reads the same way backwards and forwards.
Not only this, but this date falls on a Tuesday. So in our books we could write 22.2.22. So let's call it Tuesday.
The 22nd of February 2022 will be a Tuesday, making it Tuesday. In my opinion, this will be the greatest event in human history. This video you're watching was uploaded exactly 1 year before Tuesday, on February 22nd, 2021 at 2:22 AM. But we can actually do better. I thought 2:22 would be the closest, but then I checked my phone and it was 11:30. No, it was 23:30. If we use 24-hour time, 10 o'clock becomes 22 o'clock. So this video is now about the 22nd of the 2nd of 2022, 22. I just said 2022, 22, and it's a grammatically correct sentence. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity event.
Well, what's so special about numbers and math anyways? Research shows that math and number problems significantly boost the capacity of your brain and reduce the symptoms and levels of anxiety and depression.
I love math because of just how many possibilities there are. Whether it's in showing you're working or showing your answer at the end, there's almost over 1 million ways to do it.
What I love about math is that math requires a lot of skill and dedication to be really good at it.
I love that how big maths is and all the endless possibilities you can get in it.
I love math because it can help us in the future.
The best part is like in maths, nothing can be proved without any evidence. So in every single equation and sums, you need to give some evidence.
I love math because when you solve that one problem that you've been trying to solve for a really long time, it's really satisfying, and I love that.
I love maths because it helps me envision all the nature of the world.
I love maths because I find it interesting how even the biggest problems can be solved extremely easily.
I love maths because I love helping other people understand.
I like maths because sometimes there's problems that I can't solve, but in maths lessons I know that the problems that I given I can solve if I know what I need to do to work it out and I can get to an answer.
I like maths because it helps you with problem solving and teamwork skills.
I love maths because it's challenging and it's fun and sometimes quite easy to solve, and it really helps us when in the future, when we're older, in the real world.
The reason why I love maths is because it's really applicable in real life, and also because just the sheer satisfaction that you get from getting your answer right. Yeah.
I like maths because it helps me understand everything in the world, and it really links to all subjects, so it's really useful for everything.
I love maths because it's fun to problem solve.
I really like maths because overall it's really fun. There are also really different levels, so it can challenge you, but then it doesn't have to challenge you either.
I love maths because I like to use my brain for like problem solving, because I find it quite intriguing. Like once you found the answer, you're like quite proud of it, but at the same time it's hard to find it out, but I normally find a way to figure something out. That's what I like.
I really like maths in EC because there's like no limit to how much you can learn. You can just keep on going, you don't have to stop anywhere.
And it's not only us who loves maths.
Lining up the columns helps me do my maths when the numbers start to grow. Me and my friends at the table doing sums, working fast, I used to be slow. Come over and try lining up the columns with me. Trust me, just give it a chance. Now take a pencil or pen, put Dr. Tan on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I love these sums. Columns were handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I am not crazy, you will see. Say, boy, we've struggled far too much, rounding and compensating, adding in parts. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I am using place value, ones and tens and hundreds too. It's so easy, yes, it's true. Now it's easy for me too. In my brain there is now more room to see patterns shining through. Every day discovering something brand new. See the math that I can do. I. See the math that I can do. I. See the math that I can do. I. See the math that I can do. Every day discovering something brand new. Math is easy, yes, it's true. Later on, once all the basics are done, we can really start to explore. See past the numbers, spot the patterns instead. Saving these experiences in my head. We talk for hours and hours about the pictures we draw, solving problems in the very best way. Maths is easy and fun with Dr. Tan on the jukebox, so let's get ready to play. And I'm singing like, oh, you know I love these sums. Columns were handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I am not crazy, you will see. Say, boy, we've struggled far too much, rounding and compensating, adding in parts. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I have learned that place value has importance and virtue. Now I'm ready to pursue decimals and fractions too. In my brain there is now more room to see patterns shining through. Every day discovering something brand new. See the math that I can do. I. See the math that I can do. I. See the math that I can do. I. See the math that I can do. Every day discovering something brand new. Math is easy, yes, it's true. We'll work on addition, come on. We'll work on subtraction, come on. And multiplication, come on. Don't forget division, come on. We'll work on addition, come on. We'll work on subtraction, come on. And multiplication, come on. Don't forget division, come on. I have mastered place value, ones and tens and hundreds too. It's so easy, yes, it's true. Now it's easy for me too. In my brain there is now more room to see patterns shining through. Every day discovering something brand new. See the math that I can do.
Hi, it's Ed here, and this is a video for the English College of Dubai and the students that are studying maths. First of all, your teacher, Miss Davidson, reached out and told me how great you've all been at your maths, so keep up the good work. And secondly, I would like to explain the importance of maths with my albums. Now, firstly, I started off with the Plus album, which hopefully you guys should know your pluses. Then I moved on to the Multiply album, and then the Divide album, and finally the Equals album, which is usually at the end of an equation or a mathematic problem. But without maths, my albums definitely would not be the same. So maths is definitely an important thing, but honestly, your teacher, Miss Davidson, is so proud of you, so please keep up the good work and have a great new year. Cheers.
We know maths can sometimes be a little bit intimidating, but there are many forms of math for everybody to enjoy.
So work together as a fun class to answer some math puzzles. Click the link at the pastoral bulletin for today. Have fun.
Have fun.